I am rich. Thank you, universe. I am a money magnet. Thank you, universe. I have more than enough money. Thank you, universe. I deserve to make more money. Thank you, universe. I am financially free. Thank you, universe. I attract money easily and effortlessly. Thank you, universe. Money is my friend. Thank you, universe. I am wealthy. Thank you, universe. I am grateful for my financial success. Thank you, universe. I deserve the money I earned. Thank you, universe. I can handle my wealth. Thank you, universe. I radiate positive energy, attracting abundance into my life. Thank you, universe. Money comes to me quickly. Thank you, universe. I believe in my ability to earn more money. Thank you, universe. My finances are improving day by day. Thank you, universe. I am attracting wealth into my life. Thank you, universe. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. Thank you, universe. I am a wealth generator. Thank you, universe. I love being wealthy. Thank you, universe. I spend money wisely. Thank you, universe. Money has a positive impact on my life. Thank you, universe. I am grateful for all the money that is present in my life. Thank you, universe. I appreciate the money I have right now. Thank you, universe. My actions create prosperity. Thank you, universe. Money likes me. Thank you, universe. I attract money naturally. Thank you, universe. Thank you for my money. Thank you, universe. I welcome money into my life. Thank you, universe. I welcome unlimited income into my life. Thank you, universe. My financial potential is endless. Thank you, universe. I radiate energy on a frequency that attracts abundance. Thank you, universe. I welcome an abundance mindset. Thank you, universe. I am the master of my own money. Thank you, universe. Wealth is already within me. Thank you, universe. Today I am welcome to all abundance. Thank you, universe. I have a positive relationship with money. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.